Well, we're at Poole Motorbike Parade, that's what I'm calling it anyway, and in Dorset. Some lovely, lovely bikes here. Look at that little gem there all shone up. Everywhere you look, there's bikes, bikes, bikes. If you're interested, here they all are. Lots of lovely bikes. It's raining as well. Look at that, it's a 4-cylinder. Whoa, my word. Look at this, Irene. Beaut. 4-cylinder in line. Look at 4-cylinder in line. 6. My giddy aunt. Car. Let's have a look on. Oh my word, look at that. It's not a 4, it's a 6. Twin overhead cam. Lovely job. Look, yeah, I got that wrong. I thought that was a straight inline 4, but it was a 6. There's a V job. It's nice. Yeah. I say, yeah, yummy. Whoa, that sounds all right, doesn't it? How about that? Now it's piddling with rain. Don't we love England? No, I don't. I'd sooner be in Thailand, to be quite honest, but there we are. You put up with what you put up with, don't you? Moan, moan, moan. Can I what? I might be able to undo your hood if I could. Oh, there it is. That's out. Gosh, it's piddling with rain. I thought it was supposed to be clear, and that's what it said, but they haven't got the slightest clue, have they? Oh, look at that wheel! Honestly. Yeah, I'm walking about in the rain. Quite why, I don't know. Sickening weather. This country don't know how to sort weather out. One day baking hot, next day piddling rain. Sickening, but there we are. We won't moan, will we? Will we moan? Might moan, you never know. But it's the rambling Rambler. You've got to expect a bit of moaning, haven't you? Look at that. Twin superbike. Good grief. I love these wheels, look at that. Now somebody's singing, so it won't be monetarised. I'll turn the darn sound off for 2 pence. There we are. It's a nice song though, isn't it? There you go. Good gracious. Whoa, I like him. Look at that. That's a strange looking one, isn't it? Ducati. Nice bikes they are. Nice bikes, a Ducati. Royal Enfield. Whoa. Some lovely bikes here. I hope you're enjoying these. I like the engineer. I'm not big on bikes as such, but I do like them. Right, Brent Marshall Motorcycle Park and only. Right, some more down here. I don't think they're all here yet. Well, as they're playing, I might as well go and have a look, mightn't I?
There is nothing that is wrong, wanting you to stay with me. I know you got some where to go. Won't you make yourself at home and stay with me? Don't you ever leave. Lay down, Sally, rest you in my arms. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally, no need to be so cruel. I've been trying all night long just to talk to you. The sun ain't nearly on the rise. We still got the moon and stars above. Underneath the velvet sky, love is all that matters. Won't you stay with me? Don't you ever leave. Lay down, Sally, rest you in my arms. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally, no need to be so cruel. I've been trying all night long just to talk to you. We still got the moon and stars above. Underneath the velvet sky, love is all that matters. Won't you stay with me? Don't you ever leave. Lay down, Sally, rest you in my arms. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally, no need to be so soon. I've been trying all night long just to talk to you. Rest you in my arms. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally, no need to leave so soon. I've been trying